So I'm gonna show you how to make a wonderful chai tea latte, traditional, like in India. I just ordered this mortar so I can crush the spices properly. We are going to start heating the water. Just some regular fresh water. I was using Evian this week, but fuck it, I like to change it up, you know. I don't like to become too clean, because then the environment is not so clean and you have got to be ready for it. So we're going to get our workspace going here. I'm going to put quite a big chunk of ginger because I love ginger, and I'm just gonna leave it with the peel on and everything. But I wash it enough. So ginger washed, cut it into little chunks, throw it in the mortar, put some cloves in, maybe, not so many, just a few, like 3 or 4, because I don't want it super clove heavy. Get some green cardamom. They say 4, I usually put more, but because now I'm going to do it properly, let's put just 5. Okay. And I put peppercorns because I like it. They don't actually put peppercorns. Should I not put pepper? But then I might miss it because I like it quite spicy. I don't know what to do. Okay, let's crush some cinnamon. Just a little bit of cinnamon. You can see the situation over here. Okay, the water is ready and I'm not ready. What else? Aniseed. Aniseed. I should really get bottles to decant this. I put quite a lot of aniseed. I put quite a lot of everything, to be honest. Maybe I'm too excessive. I am too excessive in most things. So that's that. The water is kind of ready. Shall I put peppercorns? Shall I not? I don't know what to do. Let's put just a few. Literally just a few. I've been throwing in like a bunch of them without even measuring anything. Just poof. And it's been going great. Okay, this is the first time that I'm going to do this, so I'm going to mush this up. This is how I've seen them do it. And I think especially the ginger. I mean, obviously this is a really big part for the flavor. Because otherwise, how are you gonna get the proper flavor of these things? Wow. It smells great. So hopefully the ginger is going to make this quite spicy. Let's see. Let's see what happens. So my water is boiling. I'm going to add a little bit of milk. Actually, the milk should come after. Let's add the spices first. Oh, this is so heavy. So I'm going to add the spices. And it's totally boiling. I don't really want it to boil too much, so I'm going to take it down to a simmer. And while it's simmering, I am going to add I'm going to add the milk straight away. Some people like to do the milk at the end, but you know what? I like the spices to really get on the milk. So not as much as water, but more than most people have. I'm going to add a tea bag, and this tea bag I'm going to leave for about 4 minutes, no more. And it's just a tea bag of black tea, it's not chai tea. Some coconut sugar, because coconut sugar is pretty good for you. And I'm going to serve it in this nice little tray. I don't have an official chai tea strainer, but I've been using this silver one that I've got that I really like. You maybe want to leave it for 5 minutes, but I think I've left it for enough time. It should be really nice. And now what I do is I put the spices back in so they keep doing their thing. For a while after. And it just gets better and better. But remember to take the tea bag out though. Unless you have a black chai bag. Traditionally you would do it with just black tea, Assam or Ceylon. So you wouldn't have... Really good. A lot of ginger. I think it definitely made a difference to mash it all up with the Peddle and mortar.